Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. Insightly CRM, the comprehensive review based on my experience. Links to Insightly CRM and related resources are available in the description below. Insightly CRM presents a versatile and user-friendly platform tailored for small to medium-sized businesses seeking a unified solution for managing sales, marketing, and project workflows. Its core strength lies in seamlessly integrating CRM functionalities with robust project management capabilities, making it an excellent choice for teams in search of an all-in-one platform. One of Insightly's standout features is its comprehensive suite of contact and relationship management tools. The platform empowers you to efficiently store and organize customer data, meticulously track interactions, and access a complete historical record of emails, calls, and tasks associated with each contact. This 360-degree view ensures your team has the necessary information at their fingertips to deliver personalized service and close deals with increased efficiency. Insightly's pipeline management system is another compelling aspect, offering a clear visual interface for tracking opportunities through customizable stages. Automated tools streamline repetitive tasks such as follow-up emails, lead assignments, and task reminders, freeing up your team to concentrate on high-value activities. The platform also boasts robust email integration, enabling you to track and send emails directly within Insightly itself. What truly differentiates Insightly is its integrated project management toolkit, allowing for a seamless transition from closing a deal to executing the corresponding project. You can assign tasks, establish milestones, and monitor project progress, making Insightly an ideal solution for businesses aiming to combine CRM and project tracking within a single platform. For analytics, Insightly delivers real-time dashboards and reports, providing valuable insights into team performance, sales trends, and project statuses. These reports are customizable, enabling you to focus on the metrics most relevant to your business. Insightly further enhances its versatility through integrations with popular tools like QuickBooks, Slack, and Google Workspace. While Insightly boasts a wide array of features, the initial learning curve might seem steep for new users, particularly those unfamiliar with integrated CRM and project management platforms. However, the platform offers comprehensive support and onboarding resources to facilitate a smooth transition. In conclusion, Insightly CRM is a compelling option for businesses seeking a flexible and feature-rich platform that seamlessly blends CRM with project management. Its user-friendly interface, automation capabilities, and integrated tools make it a powerful platform for growing teams. Check out the links in the description to explore Insightly further and determine if it aligns with your specific business goals. This review should help you ascertain whether Insightly is the right CRM solution for your team's needs.